Now, today I would be showcasing some of my skills, which are not my skills, by the way. It's just a question of language when I said my skills. They're actually your skills. And I take it that all of you are budding entrepreneurs in every field. Now the point is, if you're the entrepreneurs, and I'm calling you budding entrepreneurs, how many of you are going to become Ambanis or Adanis? That's a different thing, that today Ambani or Adani is a bad word in this country. Nestle ठीक है, Pepsi ठीक है, Maggi ठीक है, but Ambani Adani नहीं आना चाहिए. So, how many of you are aspiring to be them? Okay, if I ask one of you to come with me and let's meet, Sachin Tendulkar or Anil Ambani. Yeah, Akash, you're a coach. What will be your reaction? Yes. What will be your reaction when you come and meet Sachin Tendulkar or Mukesh? Keep sitting. Don't stand. Please don't stand. Please don't stand.
For Sachin Tendulkar, so it will be like dream come true.
Dream come true. Very good. Yeah, Sobaji.
So definitely dream come true, and we'll learn from him how he has made so big from the early career of his life and what sacrifices he made.
Very good. Very good.
Really proud the country and.
Okay. Fantastic. Yeah, Pulkit. I'm starting with the smartest guys first. Not that the last guy is not smart at all.
Inspiring to us that.
Yeah. What is your reaction if you meet? What will be your reaction if you meet a celebrity like Ambani, Adani, Sachin Tendulkar, Lata Mangeshkar or somebody?
Sir, it's absolutely dream come true, and first sense he has been inspiring.
Okay, we've taken 3 or 4 reactions. Now, may I ask Aditya Milanji, is that the right reaction?
Actually, I don't know whether it was right or wrong, but I can tell my reaction.
No, I first comment on whether these reactions are right or wrong. That's important. Please sit down.
Actually, it's up to them. Maybe for
देखो मैंने क्लास नहीं लगाई हुई स्टूडेंट्स की यार. We are having a discussion, informal one.
So
Yeah.
everyone has said.
And don't worry if I get late, if I keep you low, we can start drink here also. That's what happens in the army, by the way. Yeah, sorry.
So should I tell my reaction?
The comments on these 3 reactions.
Actually, I am not comment actually on.
No, I'm asking you whether you're not commenting on them.
They are right from.
Okay, they're right. Okay, fine, they're right. What is your reaction?
It is not a dream for me, but I'll definitely try to photograph with him, and I'll show it to my daughters.
Okay, okay.
I'll just add on to it.
Yeah, please.
If I meet Mr. Ambani or Adani, I'll ask 2 questions.
Yeah.
To buy the products which I make and to make investment in my company. And if I met Sachin Tendulkar, definitely it's a come true because he's a player and they are the businessmen.
Okay, wonderful.